Welcome to this video tutorial on how to discontinue your products in OnePatch. Firstly, go to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and select Products, then All Products. Once the page loads, go to your product list and tick the tick box for the product you would like to discontinue. Once selected, click the button Bulk Discontinue Products. Then click Yes on the following pop-up. Once you have done this, a success message will show. Click OK. Then go to the menu on the left-hand side and click Discontinued Products. From this page you can either delete the product from OnePatch by clicking Bulk, Delete Discontinued Products, or you can move the product back into your inventory by clicking Bulk Continue Products. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.